Hello Dnation and welcome back to another unbox and review episode. In today's episode we're going to be unboxing the Harley-Davidson 2013 FLHTK Electra Glide, which is a limited edition 118 scale replica motorcycle manufactured by Maisto. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, in today's episode, I want to save you the trouble of running through this entire process of unboxing this unique diecast motorcycle, and so for a change I went ahead and pulled up one of my all-exclusive 118 scale Harley-Davidson licensed diecast motorcycles that is in fact one of my favorites of its kind. So let's go ahead and take a look at this all-time replica. And now, as we know what this amazing licensed model looks like, and with that out of the way, let's go ahead and look a bit further into this well-detailed 118 scale diecast motorcycle replica. To begin with, this model comes in two variations, the navy and the maroon variation. These models are licensed ultra-limited edition replicas of the Harley-Davidson, and these motorcycles are one of the most popular Harley-Davidson models, which look quite premium and have a good build quality to it and has quite a bit of details. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast, and these premium models measure in at 4.8 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 1.5 inches in width, and weighs in at about 209 grams each. These models also come with spot-on paint tabs and branding details and have free rolling wheels, excellent suspension, a kickstand, and a lot more intricate details, which makes them quite amazing collectibles. And with these models you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. And so with that being said, now let's place these classic beauties on the Dnation dyno and check out their wheel spin and their functionality. Kindly find further features and specifications regarding these premium diecast models in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with these premium classic models. And so with that being said, let's place these diecast models on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these beauties on wheels in a 360-degree view. And while we take a look at these premium diecast beauties, here are a few fun facts. Harley-Davidson Incorporation is an American motorcycle manufacturer founded in 1903 in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. It was one of the two major American motorcycle manufacturers to survive the Great Depression along with Indian motorcycles. The brand has become one of the world's largest motorcycle manufacturers and an iconic brand widely known for its loyal following. Harley-Davidson is noted for a style of customization that gave rise to the chopper motorcycle style. The company traditionally marketed heavy-weighted, air-cooled cruiser motorcycle with engine displacements greater than 700 cubic centimeters, but it had broadened its offerings to include more contemporary motorcycles in 2002 and middleweight street motorcycles in 2015 respectively. And for further information on Harley-Davidson, kindly check the link in the description below. And kindly do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these models are your favorite. And as we race towards our 500 subscriber mark, I would like to seize this opportunity to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback, and none of this would be possible without you. So kindly continue to support Dnation. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones any one of these 118 scale diecast motorcycles that were featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below. And stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.